Welcome back to iSelf Academy YouTube channel, Excel User Series 4.0. In our today's video, we are going to see what is the difference in Office 365 functionalities when it comes to a ribbon function and a formula. Again, the flash fill is a ribbon function for a long time now, and we are using this from Office 2013 version. And the advantage of having a flash fill in here is the data dimension can be mentioned accordingly for us, and you can set up the data dimension whatever way that you want. And in a spilled effect, the logic will be a little different. So let me just show you two different variants here, and then how we can take it further. When I come back to the flash fill option here, so now I have a set of customer name here. I would like to get the first name of this customer in this data set. So how do I do that? Is I'll just go back to the first dimension, and again, as I told you earlier, there is the data dimension can be defined at the time of filling this data set. So I'm going to keep all my first name in a capsule. So how do I create a flash fill right now? Can you see it? Now, as I mentioned earlier, this data can be filled in a particular dimension. I'm going to keep all of them in a all capital point or all caps here. So I'm going to just say Bhavan in full capital letters, give an enter, and then press Ctrl E for flash fill. That's going to populate all my data set in the list. And this is a ribbon function, so when I delete any of the data set above, it's not going to really affect much. But if I do the same logic using the text functionality, I'll say text before, and then I'll give a Ctrl A and then select the text here, and then give a tab. The delimiter should be a space, and I want to take the instant before the first dimension, and then give an enter. So now when I do that, it's going to populate only one data. If I want all of them, so I'll just go for text before, choose the whole data set here, I give a comma, double quotes the delimiter here, comma, and then I give a 1 and I give an enter. That's going to populate all data set here. Again, here if I wanted to make all caps, then I will add one more additional formula here called upper, and then close the bracket and give an enter. It's going to populate the data completely, and if I delete one of them, the whole data set will go off because this is a spilled array functionality here. The spill effects will take the data set, or the formula will come only on the first line of the data set, and the rest of them will be just grayed out formula list that you can see it here, and the total data set lies on the first cell of the data here. Hope you learn the difference between a flash fill and a spill effect. If you want to see more about the flash fills and fill effects, so I will add a data card and I will add a description of the videos where we can see flash fill better than what it can do for us. Thank you so much. Hope you guys learned something new. Have a great day. Happy work.